Hello fellow traders, welcome to FX View for another review. So today is gonna be about the Tradestation, as is a top-notch choice for serious investors seeking a truly professional level trading experience. In fact, at one time Tradestation catered solely to professional brokers and money management. Now, regular investors have access to the firm's high-octane tools, especially after the company recently cut trading costs to $0 and lowered the minimum investment to $0 for its new TS Go offering. Less attractive to new investors, well-built broker updated TS Select plan, which require a $2,000 initial investment but gives access to the broker's full suite of tools and free trades from the powerful Tradestation 10 desktop platform. So the Tradestation is best for advanced and active traders, also for stock and options and futures traders, and for cryptocurrency trading. So the Tradestation shines in the commission-free trades. With the introduction of its TS-Go and TS-Select plan, Tradestation users now have commission-free trades on stocks, options, and exchange-traded funds on Tradestation web and mobile-based platform. One catch: TS-Go users may download and use Tradestation marquee Tradestation 10 desktop platform, but any trades from that platform cost $10 per trade. So, Tradestation Select customers have full access to tools and commission-free trades, plus slightly reduces costs for options and future contracts. TS Select required a $2,000 minimum balance and charge slightly higher fees for options and futures contracts. Tradestation is best known for its impressive desktop platform available to TS Select clients. It offers direct market access, automatic trade execution, and tools for customers to design, test, monitors, and automate their custom trading strategies for stock, options, and futures. Users can customize their desktop using a broad palette of colors to better highlight the most relevant data. Investors can test drive new strategies in real time before putting actual money on the line with the Tradestation simulator. For traders who want access to advanced and comprehensive research, Tradestation earns high marks. More than 217 indicators are included with the Tradestation 10 platform. Investors can backtest strategies using historical market data that includes more than 19 years of daily data and decades of intraday data. Notifications alert users to upcoming earnings announcements for important market moves based on their positions. For education and community, educational resources at Tradestation are plentiful, with free video tutorials, articles, and ebooks available at Tradestation University, and the daily pre-market briefings and trader interviews at the Tradestation Labs. Tradestation today features real-time news, relevant tutorials, and a workspace section that shows how experts organize and use the platform's array of tools for a helping hand or a second opinion. So there is this Tradestation Trader Wiki for tips and how-tos from other users. Tradestation Crypto was launched in November 2019 and allows users to trade Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Ripple. Tradestation charges 1% per trade for accounts with balances of $100,000 or less, but through March 2020, the brokerage is offering crypto trades for a discounted of 0.5% commission. So, the question is Tradestation right for you? With its 3+ decades of serving brokers, hedge funds, and institutional investors, clients who are sticklers for accuracy, fast trade execution, and the liability to customize charting tools to the nth degree, Tradestation has become the gold standard among hardcore traders. Active traders will appreciate the platform's recent reboot and the fact that they have the same trading firepower at their fingertips as the pros. And that being said, we are coming to the end of this video. Let me know what you think of this broker in the comment section. See you on the next one.